and welcome to my channel Travel Tales with Snigdha. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Snigdha and I post travel videos in this channel. So if you want to see travel videos of different countries and also within India, then please like, follow and subscribe my channel. But I'm in Mumbai airport and all set for my next destination. And this time I am traveling to two countries. So पहले मैं पहले कंट्री का बात करती हूँ. It is one of the most popular tourist destination in Asia now, land of rising sun and the country with the most number of bullet trains and the fastest bullet trains. Yes, it's Japan. My flight is via Bangkok, Thai Airlines, and यहाँ से पहले Bangkok है, फिर Bangkok से we are traveling to Osaka. Tell you about the visa details. So Japan visa is a sticker visa. Address proof चाहिए होता है if your passport address is not matching with the address from where you are applying. For example, मेरा passport का address है Bangalore and I apply the visa from Bombay. So मुझे अलग से एक address proof देना पड़ा. Rental agreement where I'm staying. Japan visa in Mumbai embassy, it takes around 11 working days. So in Mumbai, like if you're applying visa in Mumbai, then you have to apply it through VFS only. So ये मिला है खाने में in this flight. This is mushroom chicken sausage. Mushrooms दिख रहा है, chicken दिख रहा है. I think there is an omelette also, some boiled beans and tomatoes. And then there is a croissant, and there is this butter and plain yogurt and some cut fruits. So खाना तो मैंने दिखाया कैसा था. It was boiled. The mushrooms were boiled, and even the beans were. Everything was boiled. So no salt. Um, so I did not enjoy the food. The important thing that I would want to mention here is that um, before in India itself, or from wherever country we're coming, Japan provides a QR code for immigration, okay, which is very handy um, to avoid the long queues. Okay, so हमें पता है कि जापान में टूरिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा रश है, एंड टू अवॉइड दैट it's better we do that e-immigration and generate the QR code. It's very easy. You just have to go to the Visit Japan website. You can see the link below, and वहाँ पे जाके आपको अकाउंट बनाना है अपना with your email ID, and then you just put the details like passport number, visa number, and the first address where you were staying, and other details like your address, your permanent residence address, and all those stuffs. And then passport का photo खींचना पड़ता है through that website only. It will take the photograph of the passport, and then it will generate the QR code. So that's it's a quick process. ये आप ज़रूर करके आना अगर आ रहे हो जापान में. So we landed at Kansai airport right on time at 4. उसके बाद जैसे मैंने बोला था कि you should generate a QR code through Visit Japan website. Visit Japan Web, the name of the website is Visit Japan Web. So you should टेक द QR कोड. जैसे ही आप QR कोड मतलब जैसे ही आप प्लेन से disembark करोगे, so there is a line, you'll be able to see the queue, everyone is flocking in that line itself, so you'll be, it's very easy to understand. वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट के हेल्प भी है जो आपको बोल देंगे कि दिस इज़ अ QR कोड लाइन and you have to scan the QR code, scan your passport, and do your biometrics. And once it's done, उसके बाद normal immigration officer है जो will stamp the passport. Even Japan's stamping is very nice. They just stick a small stamp right beside the page where you get the visa sticker. So once that's done, you have to pack your, I mean, pick your baggage. Baggage pick करने के बाद होगा customs. वह in that Japan Visit Japan web website, वहाँ पे customs clearance का भी same category है. उधर you can just go through that and do your custom clearance. They will just check the passport and the clearance will be done. It's very easy. Like land से custom clearance के लिए we just took half an hour. Okay, so once you do the customs, then you come out of in the arrival area. So once you come out in the arrival area, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ATMs है. You just withdraw your money, and you come, like, once you come straight, you'll be able to see the ICOCA card vending machine. So ticket vending machines, in any ticket vending machines there is a ICOCA card, and purchasing an ICOCA card is very easy. So before purchasing the card, you just have to um, withdraw the cash. So let me see, show you how the card is. This is my ICOCA card. ICOCA card. So ऐसे कार्ड मिल जाएगा. It's just a 2 minutes thing. वहाँ पे English है. And right opposite to the ICOCA card there is train counter. So कांसाई एयरपोर्ट से मेन नाम्बा एरिया जाने के लिए there are two trains. One is Kansai. One is Nankai Limited Express train, and another is Nankai Limited Express Rapid. So let me show you the Rapid train. So this is the blue color Rapid train. Okay. Okay, so what I did is I booked the seats through Klook. So you have to reserve the seats if you want a seat reservation. If you have luggage, it's better you do a seat reservation. So I did the seat reservation, and you can do it through Klook. So once you pay the money, you'll see there is a link generated. So जिस दिन आप arrive करोगे जापान में, if you are coming through Osaka, so we landed in Osaka. So जिस दिन आप arrive करोगे उस दिन once you do all those things, all the collecting cards, collecting cash and everything, then you can go to that link and put the boarding day and boarding time and reserve the seats. ठीक है. वहाँ पे जो gates है सामने, I couldn't take a photo because their photo लेना मना था. So वहाँ पे there are people to help you. A lady helped me, and she just came and okay, we're just checking. So she just helped me to reserve this ticket. You can do it through Klook. And जैसे ही मतलब upstairs अगर ICOCA कार्ड का मशीन है, upstairs अगर ICOCA कार्ड का machine है, so you just have to go through the gate, take the elevator and come downstairs. So this is where I'm standing now, downstairs. And थोड़ा confusing लगेगा, definitely मुझे भी लगा. So there are two kind of trains, like I say. One is Nankai Limited Express, for which you do not need any seat reservation. You can just get into limited that train. Even for Nankai Limited Express Rapid, also you if you don't want to do a seat reservation, that's okay. You can just take your ICOCA card and pay through it. That perfectly works perfectly fine. So टाइम वहाँ पे बोर्ड में दिखाएगा कौन से टाइम में ट्रेन है. सो वी टुक 5:35 p.m. train and we will be going to Namba. See, this is how it is written here. Rapid train, blue color का है. So you have to identify. और जहाँ जैसे ही आप टिकट लोगे उधर आपको कार नंबर भी दिखाएगा. So your car number is here. This is car number 4, and at the end of the bogie there is a place to keep suitcases. It's really neat and clean. So are you surprised to see how punctual the train is? Correct, at 5:35 it departed.
Not only about the punctuality but also about the cleanliness. So it's perfectly, everything's so perfect.
It's clean. It's spick and span. It's just clean. What
And there is no
Japan
rush.
is known for, and
Getting into the train, coming out of the train, there is. I mean, the people are not in rush actually. Yeah.
in hurry. Good evening from Osaka. Abhi it is almost 8 in the evening. Namba station se our hotel in taxi. It was around maximum like 7 to 8 minutes. We took a Uber. टैक्सी फेयर इधर बहुत ज़्यादा है. सुमन टैक्सी फेयर कितना था?
Around 900.
900 INR. Around 900 INR taxi fare था just for 10 minutes. I mean 1.5 kilometer का distance. So you can imagine how costly taxi is here. इसलिए the most common transport used here is train. Alright, so अभी जा रहे डोटनबोरी स्ट्रीट. यहाँ का one of the most vibrant place in Osaka for food, for shopping, and to just get the vibe. तो यहाँ पे एक मतलब when you head to Dotonbori Street, you should put in map as Glico sign, GLICO. So it's a sign of a running man. वो सबसे iconic है यहाँ के, and it's opposite to a canal. So I'm heading there. Once I reach, we'll show you how the Dotonbori Street is. Or I don't think so. I have to tell anything separately for how safe it is and how clean it is. Let me show you one more thing. So you'll get these kind of vending machines. रास्ते के हर कोने में दिख रहा था ये. I think these are kind of drinks like Calpis soda. कुछ तो है ये Japanese में. And you just have to put a coin here, इधर, and then you get which one you are looking for. So अभी तो हम लोग यूज़ नहीं कर रहे इसको. देखते हैं, we'll see it. So our plan in so I mean I'm sure you all must be knowing, जो लोग भी जापान के बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च किया है, कि it is a food heaven. Like यहाँ पे बहुत तरीके का खाना मिलता है and all exotic kind of food जो आपको जनरली नहीं मिलेगा. सो लेट्स गो स्ट्रेट. तो आज हमारा प्लान है कुछ एग्जॉटिक खाने का. दिखाएंगे आपको क्या खाते हैं आज. फुटपाथ, स्ट्रीट, मजाले की एक धूल मिल जाए. हमारा जो होटल है इट इज़ अ लिटिल ऑफ फ्रॉम द सिटी सेंटर. थोड़ा सा लाइक आई सेड 1.5 किलोमीटर, 1.5 kilometer away from Namba station. So Namba station area is the most happening place or the city center. वहाँ से बहुत नज़दीक. इट्स लाइक ऑल वॉकेबल. बाय द वे अभी जो टोटनबोरी स्ट्रीट जा रहे हैं दैट इज़ ऑल्सो 1.5 kilometer. सो वे जस्ट बाई वॉक वी आर गोइंग. ऑल्सो यहाँ पे जिन लोगों ने भी मेरा न्यूजीलैंड का व्लॉग देखा है, मैंने बोला था, दिखाया भी था कि वहाँ पे बाईसाइकिलिंग का कल्चर बहुत है. इधर भी मुझे वो दिखा. सो ये जो गो कार्टिंग आप लोगों ने देखा, फॉर दिस यू नीड एन इंटरनेशनल ड्राइविंग परमिट. देन ओनली यू आर अलाउड टू ड्राइव दोस. This is one of the station buildings, that Nankai Namba station. Look how beautifully they have built it. पहले समझ में ही नहीं आया था कि ये स्टेशन है. So this is the city center. ये Toho Cinemas, I think one of their cinema halls. So this is how vibrant the city center is. It's 8:30. अभी शाम के 8:30 ही बज रहा है. You have to go straight.
This is the street.
Dotonbori. All right, so this is the glycosine, the very popular place in Dotonbori. तो ये है आपके दोतनबोरी रिवर के ऊपर. So as you see, this is the दोतनबोरी river. यहाँ पे ऐसे क्रूज राइड्स भी होता है if anyone is interested. And look at this.
One more time. Okay. Let it warm.
So like I said कि आज कुछ एग्जॉटिक खाने का प्लान है. और ये है takoyaki, ऑक्टोपस बॉल्स. तो यही है वो एग्जॉटिक डिश. अभी देखते हैं कैसा है, टेस्ट कैसा है. हाउ इज द टेस्ट? वेरी हॉट. इट्स टू हॉट. तो the takoyaki 8 pieces or 12 pieces में आता है. So this is 8 pieces and it is 880 yen, inclusive of taxes. So it is like this from inside, very soft and cheesy also. और अच्छा है, मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा इसका टेस्ट. So the second meal of the day has arrived and this is okonomiyaki. So these things fluttering, this is cabbage and This has all types of meat. It has shrimp, chicken, uh, pork. It's a pancake. So, and this is served on a grill pan. So it needs to be tossed both sides, and then we need to have it. Looks exciting. Let's see how it tastes.
Two hours later.
चल जाना है मेरे लोकेशन से